All right, Sven borrows $27,000 to purchase equipment for his business. The loan is to be paid out fully over 3 years, and with an interest rate of 4.75% per annum. After 6 months of prescribed repayments, Sven increases his repayments to $900 per month so that the loan is paid off sooner. The number of months that Sven reduces the duration of the loan is 4. So first of all, he was going to pay it off over 3 years. All right. So we need to see what happens after 6 months. He's changing his scenario. So first of all, we probably want to know what the original payments are. So let's work out what his original payments are. So we need to know that. So what I'm going to do is go N. Now, he would have this for 3 years, paying out monthly. The interest rate was 4.75. The PV, he borrowed, so they gave it to him, 7,000. The payment is what I want to know, because I want to know what he's doing paying off for that first 6 months. FV, it's 0, and PPY equals 12. So, all right, so we know that he's now paying this originally. So what we want to know is we want to see what the value is at 6 months. So now we want to know the value of the loan at 6 months. So I'm going to do that. So what I'm going to do is N will be 6. I is still 4.75. PV, he still started off with borrowing that 27,000. The payments, I'm now going to put in as 8061.87, and I want to know, this is what I want to know at the end of 6 months. So I do that. If you go back into your calculator, it's quite easy. So I'm just going to delete this down to 87. Ooh. And I'm going to change this to 6 months. And I want to know what the final value is. So after 6 months, he still owes 22,000, what was it? 623.87. All right. Oh, is that, did I put too many? Oh, I put too many zeros in up here. Why didn't you tell me? Is it 27,000 or? Oh, spewing, boys. Come on. Whoops, got to change that. Go back to 27,000. That was 36. No wonder the payments seemed huge. Did anyone see that? Anyone think that was weird? No? Alright, I gotta change that. There you go. Well, going back to this. So I've got to fix this one up. This was 80, what was that now? 806.19. So alright, so going back to this. So 806.19. So I can go back to adjusting this now. So that I'm going to write that as 19. I'm putting at 6 months. I want to know what the value is. So at the end of 6 months, I have, this makes more sense, 22,762.37. So if you want to know, that's where I picked up the mistake, was when I went, oh my God, why have I got more final value on the loan? Like, it was huge. Like, it should be a little bit, but I was all of a sudden up to way more than what I borrowed. So I thought something was wrong. So here we go. So that's what we know things. So now we're going to pretend, now that we've got this far, we're going to pretend that he's starting off his new loan, and we want to know how long it'll take him to pay it off. So N's going to be the question now. So N's going to be the question. I is still going to be 4.75. PV is now going to be this new one. We're going to pretend we've got this amount of loan, which was 22762.37. He's now making these new payments of 900. So I'm going to say he starts minus 900. And he, sorry, we put negative. 619 there, and now we'll find that the final value was 0 because he'll be paying it off. So we're going to go do that on our thing. So off we go and do this. We want that. We're changing this to like the new scenario, 22762.37. He's making them 900 now, so I put the payment 900. And the final value, I want him to pay it off. And I want to know how many months that's going to take me. It's going to take me I'm going to say 27 months there. We'll just write 26.7. But 27 months plus, okay, so 27 months plus he's already paid. So 27 plus the 6 months he's already done, that would equal 33. Now he originally, the original loan was 3 years monthly, PPY 12. So that would have been 36. So how many months did he save? 3 months. Now this was a big question. It's the last one in the exam. So you can see how the level of difficulty increases, and there was like 3 things I had to